Hello everyone, I am Koder Singh and today I will be talking about props in React.JS using TypeScript. So in the last video, we talked about state, and in this video I will be talking about props. Let's make a new folder called component, and in component let's create a new file called let's suppose to-do.tsx, and I'll do RCC to create the React app. It is a snippet, and then now, just like in the previous video, I showed you we create an interface with iapp state. So in the same way, we're gonna create an interface I to do props, and in this we will have, let's suppose, title of the prop. It is of type string value. If it's checked or not, so it's gonna be of boolean value. So let's suppose these all things are there. So we can just directly we can do this dot props dot title title. Okay, oh, we have not extended it over here. We have not put in to I to do props, and the state will be any for now, and later we can change it if you want. So now we will get the auto completion over here. Like, see, we getting children is default, which is by the React itself, and the title is there, which we have specified. So this kind of functionality of auto completion is not as good, which was in JavaScript. JavaScript is not as good as TypeScript. Sorry, I said the other way around. So over here, the auto completion is way too good. So let's suppose if I wanna import this particular thing, let's yarn start it first. I'll show you what I did in the last one so that you can have a gist of it. If you have not seen my previous tutorial, I would highly recommend that you go and check out my previous tutorial as well, and you will be able to relate things from there itself. And it's gonna take okay, yeah, so it's I just created my age and I would do plus and minus using the state. So now let's suppose here I do BR, couple of BRs, and now I want to import the to do. So first of all, I can import the to do just by getting it autocomplete, so it's going to import automatically. This is really good. And now if I close it, in the case of JavaScript, it would have not said anything to me, but now in the case of TypeScript, it says type curly braces is missing the following properties from type title and checked. So now we have to specify title and check. Let's suppose call mom was there, and checked we have to make it true. So in this case we are able to see, if you want to see this thing, then we have to do toString. Then we can definitely see it. So if you guys were curious why it was not coming. So what will happen in the case of things which we don't need? Let's suppose there is date of couple of to-dos. We do not have dates. So what in that case? What will happen in that particular case? Is it necessary every time for us to pass it? No, it is not. We just have to put in the question mark. If you put in the question mark, as you can see, before the question mark, it was throwing an error that date property is missing in type. But if I put a question mark, then it becomes, no, it does not become mandatory. And if there is date, then let's add the date as well. Let's suppose 2019-09-09. So as you can see, we have the date as well over here. If you just remove the date, then ultimately it will be vanished from there, that particular point. So I hope you understood how we can use props as well, and how the TypeScript helps us in the auto completion, each and everything. And if you really like the video, then do like the video and subscribe to my channel, and press that bell icon so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be notified. And thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. You comment that you like my tutorials. It was easy to understand all these comments, and all your subscribers who are new, you have subscribed to the channel. It really motivates me to make new videos, even though sometimes I'm not able to have publish in like couple of days or couple of weeks, but I tend to do it as often as possible when I see those comments and the likes and subscriptions of people new. So thank you so much anyways, and see you soon.